This is John with Cruising Addicts, and today we're going to give you 10 things to know before booking a Carnival cruise. Sit back, enjoy the video, hit that thumbs up button liking this video, subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content, and check out our website, cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing!
Sail away, come aboard this digital oasis. Cruise ship tours and reviews, they're taking us places. Port guides, destinations, and shore excursions too. Cruising addicts, they're the ones making our dreams come true.
Embarking on a Carnival cruise promises a memorable vacation filled with fun, relaxation, and adventure. To ensure you have the best experience possible, here are 10 essential things to know before booking your cruise. Number 1. Itinerary options. Carnival Cruise Line offers a plethora of itineraries ranging from short weekend getaways to extensive voyages. Consider what destinations and durations align with your interests and your schedule. Number 2. Cabin selections. Cabins vary by size, location, and amenities. Options include interior rooms, ocean view rooms, balconies, and suites. Evaluate your budget and your preferences to choose the right cabin for your needs. Number 3. Booking early versus last minute. Booking early can secure better prices and more cabin choices, while last minute deals might offer significant discounts. Decide on your booking strategy based on your flexibility and your preferences. Number 4. Onboard activities. Carnival cruises are packed with activities including water parks, fitness centers, spas, live entertainment, and more. It's good to familiarize yourself with the ship's amenities to make the most of your time on board. Consider watching a ship tour of the ship you're cruising on and get familiar with the ship ahead of your cruise. Number 5. Departure ports. Carnival Cruises departs from various ports around the country. Choose a departure port that is convenient for you and consider the associated travel costs getting to that port. Number 6. Dining options. The cruise line offers a variety of dining experiences from casual buffets to fine dining. Some specialty restaurants may require reservations and additional charges. Plan accordingly to enjoy your preferred dining options. Number 7. Shore excursions. Excursions can enhance your cruise experience through guided tours, adventures, and activities at ports of call. Research and book your excursions in advance to ensure availability and secure the best rates. Number 8. Travel documents. Ensure you have all necessary travel documents such as passports, visas, and identification. Check the requirements for each country you'll visit to avoid any last-minute complications. Number 9. Travel insurance. Consider purchasing travel insurance to protect against unexpected events like trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. This can provide peace of mind during your vacation. Number 10. Packing essentials. Pack efficiently by considering the cruise line's dress code, weather at the destinations, and activities you plan to enjoy. Don't forget essentials like swimwear, formal attire, and comfortable shoes. Booking a Carnival cruise can be the start of an amazing adventure. By keeping these 10 things in mind, you'll be better prepared to enjoy every moment of your journey. Bon voyage!